I'm 61 years old and I still have a job, a good one. I'm an Azure architect. I've been in IT 34 years and I'm building the exit ramp right now. Not because I'm panicking, but I have watched AI begin to displace jobs like me. I'm not waiting on that meeting that changes everything. And this is what I'm building and why I started before I had to. Here is what nobody in the AI side hustle space is telling you. Every video out there is geared toward a 25-year-old who's wanting to quit their job. Nobody's talking to that 55-year-old manager who is still employed, still performing, and quietly watching their role be automated away. 37% of business leaders expect to replace workers with AI by the end of 2026. That's not a prediction. That's a survey of people who signed the check. Middle management is first, IT is next, accounting and legal admin, all are on the list. The people who get hurt first are the ones who waited for the decision to be made for them. So here's what I did. I built a diagnostic tool that scores a YouTube channel like a system audit. And I started a YouTube channel to document the process in real time. My own channel, my own data, no cherry picking the results, just raw data. And you'll be able to see in real time if I can improve the score. Why YouTube? It's the one asset that compounds. Every video I publish is infrastructure. It doesn't clock out. It doesn't get replaced by AI agent. And the audience I'm building is for professionals over 40 who think in systems. That audience has money, has problems, has issues that isn't being correctly addressed in this space. That's the AI side hustle, not prompting Chat GPT to write articles, building a diagnostic tool powered by real YouTube data, and using it to coach professionals who need a second income before their first one disappears. I am not going to tell you this is going to give you passive income in 30 days. I am showing you actual YouTube data from a channel starting from zero. 14 videos, still under 1,000 subscribers. I actually have 2 subscribers. Signal score moving. The diagnostic tool is live. The coaching pipeline is being built. This is the runway that I have. I'm still employed, and I feel I have 12 to 18 months to build this before I possibly need it. That's the advantage I'm using right now. And if you're still employed, you have the same advantage. Run your own channel through the Signal Diagnostic tool at Pressure Tested CO. It is free. It scores your channel on the 4 signals that matter and gives you a detailed repair view of how to go repair your channel. No opinion, just data. It is free for now, but not forever. Please comment if you use it and see something you would like to have in the tool. I'm actively monitoring the comments, and if I see you need something, I'll put it in the tool and let you know. Again, I'm David Swan. I'm 61, still employed, and building this before AI makes a decision for me. Subscribe if you want to see this happen in real time.